In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a client profile image in Practice Better. Adding a photo to a client profile makes it easier to recognize who you're working with at a glance, whether you're reviewing notes, sending a message, or preparing for a session. It's a simple update that can make your workflow feel more personal and organized. Start from your practitioner portal. From there, head to the My Clients area where you'll see your list of clients. Open the profile of the client you want to update. Once you're in that client's workspace, look for the Recent Activity section. This is where you'll access the option to change the client's profile image. Under the client's name, you'll see a circular avatar placeholder or a small camera icon. Click that avatar or the camera icon. This tells the system you want to add or change the profile photo for this client. If you don't immediately see the icon, double-check that you're viewing Recent Activity and make sure you're on the correct client's profile before proceeding. A file picker will open so you can choose a photo from your computer. Practice. Better accepts JPEG images for client photos, so look for a file with a .jpg or .jpeg extension. Select the image you want and upload it. You may see a brief progress indicator while the upload completes. When it's done, the avatar under the client's name will refresh to show the new photo, confirming the change. A few quick tips as you choose the image. Pick a clear, front-facing headshot with good lighting so the face is easy to recognize at thumbnail size. Neutral backgrounds help the image look clean in the app. Keep the file size reasonable so it uploads quickly, and avoid images that include sensitive details in the background. If your image isn't already a JPEG, save or export it as a JPEG before you upload. If you realize you selected the wrong photo, simply repeat the same steps and upload the correct JPEG to replace it. That's all there is to it. From your practitioner portal, go to My Clients, open the client, navigate to Recent Activity, click the avatar or camera icon, and upload a JPEG from your computer. With that image in place, you'll have a more polished and efficient client experience across your account. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you need a quick refresher the next time you update a profile image.